What's up? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson from LearnAI and ChatGPT.com. I'm a computer science professor and an AI expert, and I'm always up to some AI shenanigans. Well, now, in this video, I'm talking about the Shopify AI challenge that I'm doing, right? So for 30 days, I'm gonna see if I can go from setup to first sale. So we're on day 13 of this amazing challenge. And before I get into what I did today, let's get some housekeeping out of the way. If you want to follow along with me on this wonderful challenge, in the description, there's a link where you can get access to the document where I'm typing all of my notes, my thoughts, what I'm doing, links to the videos, it's all there. Also, if you want to set up your own Shopify store, there's also a link to a great Shopify deal where you could get the first 3 months of a new Shopify store for only $1. That's ridiculous because Shopify has a lot of pricing plans, and the cheapest one I think is $39 a month. So to actually get started for $1 for the first 3 months saves you a ton of money, and it's a great way to start out and to try Shopify if you've never done it before. So that's the housekeeping stuff. Please like this video. If you like it, please share it if you get any value out of it. But let's get down to what I did on lucky day 13. All right, so you guys know that I'm doing everything using AI. I'm setting up a Shopify store using AI. So I call ChatGPT Chatty because I'm always chatting with it. That's, my friend now. So I'm using ChatGPT to create everything in my Shopify store. The products, product descriptions, images, the whole nine. So if this is your first video and you're just checking, you're just starting with me, ChatGPT recommended that I create a print-on-demand store, right? So if you're not familiar with what print-on-demand is, you basically don't keep any inventory. When you make a sale, your print-on-demand supplier automatically creates the product and ships it out for you for a small fee. Now, I have had a Shopify store in the past. It took me about 6 months to set up. And that's because I was doing everything by hand. I had physical products. I was ordering from China. I was writing all the product descriptions myself. I was using SEO. It was a lot. So I just kind of wanted to see if I could do it all using AI now, if it would make it quicker, cheaper, faster. And so far it has been. So I picked my product, which is a print-on-demand mug. That's going to be my first product. It's going to have funny sayings on it. I'm not telling you my target group just yet, who I'm targeting my mugs to. Shopify created all the images, and I set up Facebook ads to market, right? Of course, there's lots of ways you can do it. Organically takes a long time. I'm all about paid ads. So also Facebook uses AI as well. So I'm kind of using AI indirectly through Facebook ads. So basically today I just watch my Facebook ads. It's the weekend and I'm kind of letting them just run. So if you're new to Facebook ads, when you first set them up, it enters what is called a learning phase, right? So that's between like 3 and 5 days where Facebook is learning who to show the ads to, right? Who they think is likely to buy this. So you don't want to make any changes during this time. You just want to let the ads run so Facebook can kind of figure out who to show this ad to, so who will buy it. So today I just kind of check the numbers, check the stats in the Ads Manager, and that's it. So I don't really have much to report. I guess I could have made some more products like matching t-shirts or whatever, but since it's the weekend, I was running around with my family, going to basketball games and just being lazy. So I will have more to report to you tomorrow. I do have a rule about how long it should take Facebook to make a sale, but we'll see if we get there. So day 13, all I did was watch Facebook ads and hope for the best. Hope to get that cha-ching sound where I've finally made a sale. So, all right, guys, please subscribe to this channel. I mainly talk to business owners who are trying to use AI for social media or to write blog posts. If you need to work smarter, harder, faster, cheaper in your business, you need to learn how to use AI, and I help you on how to do that. All right? Subscribe and check with me tomorrow where I talk about what I did on day 14 of this amazing challenge. I'm almost halfway through. I cannot believe it. I can't believe I set up a complete Shopify store in like 10 days. That's crazy. All right, guys. God bless. Talk to you later. Bye.